Hi there and welcome to another Chatterware tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a new feature that's just been added. This will come as part of the launch as soon as the asset is launched, hopefully very soon. This little feature is inspired by mechanical and robotic characters, whatever. So when they speak, like little radars or little antennas rotate in sync to the speech. So what we've got is our little character here. It's just a sphere, but anyway, imagine it's a robot of some kind, and we've got now we're talking on the sphere. And you might notice I've got a couple of other things on here. I've got robot radar. Well, this is just a cube squashed to look like some kind of, radar-y type thing. And we've also got some flash pivots for like on his ears, and we're just going to do a little bit of stuff with that. The other thing we can do, of course, and we've shown this in the sci-fi mechanical flashing lights aspect of the asset, in another video, we've got the mouth, which also changes colour, and we'll have a quick look at how that's set up. So here's the Now We're Talking script. We've got everything in place. We've got the eyes and the eyebrows on their pivots linked into these here. We've got some voices in. This is just the voice pack that comes with Now We're Talking, so it's the farmer's part of it. If you look just a little bit lower, you can see that we've got material 1 and 2, flash yes, and flash range. And if we run, let's just check, yeah, if we run the asset and we play the audio,
morning.
We can see the flashing works.
Morning. How's it going? Oh, morning. Not bad, thanks.
Excellent. So, first thing we're going to do is just add the radar to the flash. So, very simply, find Now We're Talking and take the object that's the radar and drag it into the list of objects which are going to get swapped, material swapped, and there it is. So now when we run this is just going to start flashing.
Morning.
And of course we can change the flash threshold so that it is more flashy, if that's a word, a phrase.
Morning.
Or less flashy. Let's just see if we can get, where have we gone? It's down here. Get that working a little bit more.
Morning. How's it going?
So what you can do is we scroll down to the audio source and just put it on loop. When we play it,
oh, morning.
It'll
Not
just
bad,
carry on.
thanks. Oh, morning. Not bad, thanks.
And you can
oh,
then
morning. Not bad, thanks.
get driven
oh, morning.
mad, or you
Not
can turn
bad,
the
thanks.
volume
oh,
down
morning.
like that, so you don't hear it so much. And then you can adjust the flash range so that you're happy with the result. That's looking reasonably good there. Let's have a listen to it now.
Oh, morning. Not bad, thanks. Oh, morning. Not bad, thanks.
And then just turn the loop off. That's fine. What you've got to remember though is you're playing, the editor is running, and so you need to actually grab the component before you turn it off, so that when you come back and you paste it in, you have the correct setting here. Either that or just here, sorry. Either that or just literally copy and paste it in. Right, so let's have a look at rotating this radar. So the first thing we need to do is come down to the bottom below the flashing materials, and you'll see there's some new elements here, and we've got a slot here to put the radar in, which will do that. You've actually got this normally is actually zeroed out like that, so you would normally grab the object and just drop it in. So it would have to be a separate mesh object that is free from the main character. Let's just have a look at doing that. Okay, so we want to rotate, so we're going to turn the bool on. So we're not going to toggle it for now, and we're just going to rotate it in the Y, which is the vertical axis. That's it. You just set it up like that, and hopefully when we hit play,
Not bad, thanks.
it actually just rotates.
Good
And it
morning.
rotates in sync. So
Good morning.
the other thing we can do is have it bounce backwards and forwards, so toggle rotation. So each time it moves, it's going to move in the opposite direction, so it'll rotate clockwise then anti-clockwise. Let's have a quick look at that.
Not bad, thanks.
So you can see it's actually now going backwards and forwards.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Let's get the other voice, the other mouth preset. We'll go to the robot preset, which is like this square shape.
Good morning. Good morning.
Let's just move that camera slightly. Here we go. Try again.
How are things? Oh, just great.
And that works really well, I think.
Good morning, universe.
Now, you're not limited to one object in the rotation list, as it were. We could actually try and put these. I don't know what's going to happen, to be honest. I actually probably won't see these if we do them that way. So we're going to put the left. Which one did we put? The right one and the left flasher in. And we're going to change to the X rotation. Let's just see what that does.
Not bad, thanks.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Good morning.
But it's as simple as
Good
that.
morning. Good morning.
And that's the important thing. What we're trying to do is provide you with an asset that actually looks like you've done some complicated stuff, but in fact it's really just a matter of setting some parameters and dragging in
Not bad, thanks.
objects and using sliders to adjust how. And we've got a rotate threshold range. So let's go and put the loop on again, and let's do that one.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good.
Just turn the sound off so we can see it. So this threshold, we can control how often the rotation actually happens, and you can see that makes quite a big difference to the character. And it could be that when he gets angry, you speed this up. You can control this in code. Or when he gets calm, you can slow it down. And to stop it rotating, you just simply turn the bool off. Simple as that. So, I hope that's been useful. That's another very quick tutorial. And we'll see you next time on Now We're Talking Tutorials. Bye for now.